Passengers seated at the emergency exit row must place all items in the weight compartments for takeoff and landing. Kindly take care of your personal belongings and valuables at all times during the flight. Please fasten your seatbelt, put your seat back upright, and secure your tray table. Please be careful when lowering the armrest. As advised by the local authorities, all electronic devices must be switched off and large devices are stored for takeoff. They can be used after takeoff if they are in flight mode. You may hold on to your handheld devices, have them secured in the seat pocket. Please note that headphones and portable chargers must not be used until after takeoff when the seatbelt sign is turned off. Transmitting devices not in flight mode may interfere with our navigation instrument and must remain switched off throughout the flight. In response to the global COVID-19 situation, heightened precaution measures have been introduced for the safety and well-being of our passengers and crew. You're reminded to wear your mask and remain at your assigned seat. Please seek clearance from our crew should you wish to relocate to another seat. Thank you. Cabin crew, please stand by for a safety demonstration. Once again, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For your safety, please give your attention to the crew at the front of the cabin. Today, you're traveling on an Airbus A320, and it is important that you are familiar with the safety features of the aircraft. Even if you fly with Jetstar frequently, we would appreciate your attention for just a few minutes. Having your seatbelt done up low and tight is essential for takeoff, turbulence, and landing. To do it up, put the clasp in the buckle and tighten as shown. Undo it by lifting the buckle flap. You should keep your seatbelt done up whenever you're seated, just in case we come across any unexpected turbulence. In your seat pocket, you will find a safety briefing card that shows the brace position and other important information on what you should do in the unlikely event of an emergency. Please take a moment to read it before we take off. The A320 has 8 emergency exits. Look to where the crew is pointing to find your nearest exit. A good way to remember is to count the number of seats between you and the exit. The crew will also point out lights that at the path to the exit. If we have to evacuate, you must leave all cabin baggage behind. Remember that in an emergency, it is the crew that will be most helped to you, so follow their instructions. Should oxygen be required, a mask will appear from above you. If face mask is worn, remove it before putting on the oxygen mask. Pull the oxygen mask down firmly, put it on quickly over your nose and mouth and tighten the strap. Once the mask is working properly, you can help others, including children. Your life jacket is located within easy reach under your seat. To put it on, place the life jacket over your head and clip the waistband at the front. It has 2 red tags, a mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and light for attracting attention. You must only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft. To prepare for takeoff, ensure your seat back is upright, your armrest down, your tray table is stowed away, and your window shade is open. Finally, check that your seat belt is securely fastened low and tight. Civil aviation laws require you to comply with all safety notices and signs on the aircraft. Tampering with any type of aircraft item is an offense and may result in fines or prosecution. Smoking, including vaping and the use of electronic cigarettes in any part of the aircraft is prohibited, and smoke detectors have been fitted. If you are not sure about anything we have told you, please check the safety card in your seat pocket. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be dimming the cabin lights for the takeoff. If you wish to continue reading, your light switch is located at the panel above you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be taking off shortly. Once again, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, seatbelt upright, your tray table is low, and window shades are fully open. Thank you.